Good morning, children. Today I am here to take your chemistry class for Standard 6. Earlier, I already explained in your chapter elements, compounds and mixtures, and there are differences between compounds and mixtures. What are elements, what are compounds, already you have followed. In today's class, children, I like to explain about the topic separation techniques and various methods of separation. In today's class, I like to explain you basically, children, there are several separation techniques. What are those? First, you can take, for example, sieving. What is sieving? Sieving is a method in which the different solid components, or you may say two different sizes of solid components, can be separated from each other by using a sieve. So by that we can able to separate two solid substances which are of different sizes. Now we usually apply this method to separate chaff from the grain, to separate stone from rice, to separate stone from pulses, and to separate stone from the sand. Like that, several other useful for this sieving process. Next to sieving, I like to explain you about magnetic separation method. Magnetic separation method is being used to separate those magnetic substances from non-magnetic substances. Let us take, for example, in case of magnetic substances, those iron fillings which are mixed with sand, you can able to separate iron fillings from the sand with the help of magnet. If you move the magnet near the mixture of sand and iron fillings, all the iron fillings gets attracted towards the magnet, and by that you can easily remove the iron fillings from the sand. Next to magnetic separation method, I like to explain you about the process of sedimentation. Sedimentation is a process in which from the solutions, the liquids are separated out, as well as by the formation of sediments at the bottom of the container. You might say that in case of sedimentation, why if you keep the liquid container, and in that liquid container, if you find that if you leave this container undisturbed near about 30 minutes to 40 minutes, you will find the sediments which are there in the solution gets deposited at the bottom of the container, and the layer of liquid remains above the sediments. So this is one way of process by which we can able to separate the liquid from the sediments. That is called sedimentation. Now next to sedimentation, another point is decantation. Decantation is a technique by which you can able to separate out this liquid from the sediments without disturbing these sediments. If we are able to take out this liquid to another container, so that we can able to separate the sedimented part in one section and the liquid in another section very easily. So Decantation is that process in which the liquids can be separated out from the sedimented part without disturbing the sediments. Now next to decantation, I like to explain you about filtration. You might have observed in your at your home that your mother performing this process of filtration every day. What is that? Yes, strainer being used by your mother to filter tea from the mixture of tea leaves and solution of tea. Yes, by that we can able to retain the tea leaves in the strainer, and the liquid tea you can able to collect in the container, in a separate container. So filtration is another process in which you can perform the test by using filter paper. The insoluble solids, when it is solution along with insoluble solids is made to pass through the filter paper, then this filter paper will retain the insoluble solids in it, and it allow the liquid to pass through it, and by that we can able to separate out the insoluble solids from the mixture of solids in the solutions. So this is because in filter paper there are some pores, some gaps are there, small minute pores are there. These pores allow the water to pass through, but these solids unable to pass. They retain the solid in it. So by that we can able to separate the solid constituents from the solution by the method of filtration. So children, next day when we will meet, we will again take some more points regarding these separation techniques. So till then, thank you.